Expansion fittings are not commonly seen in underground conduit runs for several reasons. Firstly, conduits are typically buried underground, which provides significant protection from temperature fluctuations. Soil temperatures remain relatively stable throughout the year, minimizing thermal expansion and contraction. Secondly, underground conduit runs are generally shallower than exposed runs, reducing the impact of temperature variations. Thirdly, conduits made of materials like polyvinyl chloride or polyethylene have low coefficients of thermal expansion, further reducing the need for expansion fittings. Fourthly, even when thermal expansion does occur, underground conduits are often allowed some degree of movement within the soil, reducing the need for dedicated expansion fittings. Fifthly, installing expansion fittings underground can be difficult, time-consuming, and costly. Finally, expansion fittings are relatively expensive, and using them everywhere underground can significantly increase project costs. Instead of using expansion fittings, the following practices are generally employed to manage thermal expansion in underground conduit runs. Firstly, conduits are buried at a depth that provides adequate protection from temperature fluctuations. Secondly, conduits are installed with some slack or loose length to accommodate minor expansion and contraction. Thirdly, conduit runs are designed with bends and curves to allow for flexibility and prevent stress buildup. Conduits and cables are selected with appropriate temperature ratings to withstand the expected operating temperatures. By following these practices, the need for expansion fittings in underground conduit runs can be minimized or eliminated.